Right, so welcome back everybody. I'm just going to do a short video because these minis are renowned for rotting behind here, and someone did mention about it on my Instagram. I was going to have a look anyway, but I thought let's film it and let's see what it's like behind it. Right, I've sprayed some penetrating all up and behind it and that, but hopefully the last thing I want to do is snap a bolt, but it feels fine, that one. I'm not brave enough to put my gun on it, but I've had them before where it's even rotted right the way through the bracket as well. There's no obvious signs around the edge of it, so let's just have a look and see if it's a yay or a nay. The trouble is, when they made these, they never put no paint behind them. They put them on and then they painted over them. Two, getting excited. Not that exciting. I'm excited that they haven't broke off. So, last one. I'm hoping it's good, so I haven't got to do any welding, but we will see how bad it is, or how good it is. Alright, ready? This is all in real time, so let's have a look. Yeah, it's not great. It's not bad though, actually. No, it doesn't need welding. That skin's gone there, look. They always go. I don't know actually, I don't know if that's just the bracket. Yeah, oh well, another job to do. It's not bad, but it's not great either. So yeah, because you've got more than one thickness here. You've got the inner wing, which is the top part, then you've got a strengthener in behind it, so we'll have to cut that out. Don't actually need to go too far. Normally you have to go right round, so we'll be able to cut it down there, down there, down there, and then we'll see what the bits look underneath it. It don't look too bad. I think it's just the outer skin has gone, so it's not too bad. Right, that's just a quick one. I'm not doing it in this video. I'll do another video in the very near future. Right, thanks for watching and see you next time. Give us a thumbs up if you like it.